This video explains how to operate the generator. The generator is used in the following situations. If your service batteries drop below 12.2 volts to prevent damage, or if you start the air conditioning while not connected to shore power. It is crucial to turn on the generator before starting the air conditioning. If you use an espresso machine that requires a lot of amperage and you are not connected to shore power, it is also essential to turn on the generator, especially in the morning or evening, as the batteries are already significantly discharged in the morning. If your service batteries are not at least 12.8 volts at sunset, it is better to use the generator to recharge them and ensure they last through the night. Remember that the generator draws diesel from the port side tank. If there isn't enough fuel, the pump will be damaged, so be careful. This is also mentioned in the technical manual. In such cases, you will need to transfer fuel from the starboard tank to the port side tank. Another video explains how to perform this transfer. To avoid a conflict between the two power sources, it is essential to disconnect the shore power line before starting the generator, even though the generator takes priority. Then you can consult the diagram showing the location of the various components. The seawater valve is in the forward cockpit lounge. The circuit breaker and generator are located at the base of the stairs, along with the remote controls. To start the generator, first disconnect the shore power cable. Activate the generator with the on button, then press start. Wait for validation on the control panel. And hold the button for about 10 seconds to start. The green light will change from flashing to steady. To turn off the generator, press and hold stop for 10 seconds. Switch to off, and turn off the control switch. After pressing off, the screen will turn off. The generator always draws diesel from the port side tank. If there is not enough diesel in the port side tank, click on the house icon, then click on the Fountain Paget logo. Next, go to the tank section and move the slider from the starboard tank to the port side tank. Select the desired quantity and click Validate. Regarding the reversible air conditioning, it also provides heating. The temperature can be set between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius in automatic mode. Currently, it is 15 degrees Celsius inside, and the temperature is set to 25 degrees Celsius. You can choose between manual and automatic modes depending on your needs.